Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So first we should unlock our smartphone and open the settings application. Then we should scroll down to the lock screen section, and then we'll see here the always on display. We can switch here show time of always on display and lock screen. We can just tap to show it. We can show it always. We can set the start and the end time. We can change the lock screen, just clock type here. For example, we can use the calendar, or also we can use the image from the temps from gallery, our device gallery photos. We can use the stickers or emojis. For example, let's use the regular stickers. For example, let's use this rabbit and just tap here to OK. We can also change here the color of the date and time. We can also change screen orientation from landscape to portrait. We can also turn on or turn off the auto brightness on always on display feature, and we can also adjust it manually. And here you can see the description about the always on display feature. And that's it. That's how to customize always on display feature on our Samsung Galaxy device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.